The Painkiller is a tropical tiki cocktail known for its creamy, coconut-infused flavor with a hint of spice. Originating from the British Virgin Islands, this drink is perfect for making you feel like you're on a sun-soaked beach. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces Pusser's rum. Pusser's rum is traditional, but any dark rum can be used. 4 ounces pineapple juice, 1 ounce cream of coconut, preferably Coco Lopez. 1 ounce orange juice. Freshly squeezed is best. Garnish nutmeg, freshly grated. Garnish pineapple slice and/or orange wheel. For equipment you will need shaker, jigger, strainer, tiki glass or rocks glass, grater. Here are the instructions. Fill a shaker with ice. Add Pusser's rum, pineapple juice, cream of coconut and orange juice to the shaker. Shake well until chilled. Strain the mixture into a tiki glass or rocks glass filled with ice. Garnish generously with freshly grated nutmeg, and add a slice of pineapple and/or an orange wheel. The Painkiller Cocktail was first crafted in the 1970s at the Soggy Dollar Bar on Jost Van Dyke, a tiny island in the British Virgin Islands. The bar earned its name because patrons had to swim to shore, often paying with wet money.